Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untitled Warrior here, coming at you with a mini sneaker mystery box today. Not the normal beater boxes, but we do have like these two shoes that were sent over to my PO box, which I have no idea what they are or what's in here, but I'm excited to open it up with you. And I mean, we're just gonna dive right into it because I'm pretty excited. This is the first one, which I'm assuming is from the New Balance and Kawhi Leonard like media team, because it has like a New Balance logo on the box, and they have sent us stuff in the past before, so we'll check this one out first. And it definitely is a pair of New Balance shoes. You guys can check this out right there. Nice box, size 10.5, basketball sneaker, so I'm assuming that's what we're looking at. Interesting. This looks to be a pair of the Moreno Valley New Balance Kawhis. These are super sick, dude. And I really want to say that Kawhi was playing with these just like a couple nights ago during one of the playoff games, so this is really cool to see. Moreno Valley, I believe, is where Kawhi Leonard's like hometown is, and if you guys want to check this out like up close, there's some pretty cool details on this one. So this is the detail that stands out the most. City of Moreno Valley, December 3rd, 1984. It does have like a kind of like park vibe, I guess, with like that green, brown, and like earthy colors, you know, very, very reminiscent of like a park. And of course, it has that New Balance on the back, Kawhi signature logo over here, and it also has his stats over here: 4-time All-Star, 2-time champion, 2 times Finals MVP, 2-time Defensive Player of the Year. Dude, this guy's a beast, man. You guys know who Kawhi Leonard is, man. He's a man of few words, but when he gets into the game, he's legit. And one of the things that I heard about this one is that Kawhi Leonard's actually donating like a basketball court and like playground for Moreno Valley Park. So I think that's pretty sick, man. It's always good to like be humbled and like remember your roots and stuff, right? So even though he's like a super big all-star now, killing it in the NBA, he still remembers like his hometown and stuff and tries to give back, which everybody can appreciate, I think. So shout out to the New Balance team and Kawhi Leonard, guys. This one is sick. First mystery shoe over here. We can check out the next one though. This one, I feel kind of bad about this one because I'll say this before I open the box. I do have a PO box like set up and stuff, but it's not like advertised anywhere on the channel. And the reason why I stopped like promoting and stuff is just because I was like, it just feels weird like getting like free stuff from people, you know? Like I don't ever ask anybody to send me things, or you know, I don't want them spending their money on like items to open up on the channel and stuff. I'd rather you guys spend that on yourself, you know? I don't really need these things and stuff, so I appreciate the people that do send stuff, but you guys don't need to do it. Anyway, this person, what I read from like the mailing address and stuff, his name is Keaton. I remember seeing in the comments, he sent this like a while back, and again, because I don't like check that PO box often, it's been kind of sitting there for a while, so sorry Keaton. I finally picked it up and we can open it up together over here. It does appear to be a pair of shoes though, based on the box, and I'm interested to see what's in here. Ooh, interesting. Okay, so it looks like a Jordan box in here. Jordan 1 mid, size 11. It's my size. And oh, we got a note. We got to read the note every single time. Check that out. Bryson, I've been a long time sub. When I saw your gender reveal, I knew I needed to send these to you so you can match your son. I knew they aren't crazy expensive, but I hope you enjoy them. All love from a fellow YouTuber, Keaton. So shout out to Keaton Collins, man. It's kind of cool because I try to answer like every single comment every single time. And I know Keaton's name because he always comments like on all the videos, and it's been like that for like 3 years. He's a reoccurring like channel member and stuff too. So just shout out to this guy. And again, I'm just like kind of floored that somebody would send something, because again, I don't like advertise that PO box. So the fact that he found it is kind of insane. And to see this, what he sent, is even more insane. I'm like all smiles right here because I'm geeking out. This is literally the pair that I did for my gender reveal video, and this guy was nice enough to get me a DS pair of the same shoe. Let me go get the kid shoe really fast so you guys can see. This is so sick because this is the exact same shoe box over here, and we have the kid shoe of this shoe, Signal Blue Jordan 1. So if you guys did see my gender reveal video for my soon-to-be son coming in July, this is the shoe that we like used to like announce, oh, it's a boy kind of thing, you know? Keaton saw that, and out of the goodness of his heart, he sent over this one, which literally matches it straight up. Like, look at the size difference, man. This kid shoe is like the size of the toe box only. I can't believe we're gonna be like having a kid whose foot is gonna be this small. That's so crazy. Keaton, I really appreciate that, man. Thank you for hunting down the PO box, because I know it's not easy to find that. And thank you for like just thinking of me for like a gift like this, you know? Like I know that this thing isn't like the most expensive shoe like he mentioned, but the fact like that anybody even spends like $5 or like $10 or even $1 like to give somebody else, a complete stranger essentially like me, who I've never met Keaton in my life before, like that just, it speaks like volume to a character of a human being, you know? Like that's why I love building this community, because I love talking to people like you, creating like a community with you guys where it's okay to like talk about sneakers and stuff, and we're not like harsh or judging each other. There's no like swearing or like, you suck, that shoe is not cool, this kind of thing. Like, everybody has their own preference on things, and everybody has their own likes and dislikes, and I feel like the Untied Ohana is like a little bit different, where we're not throwing shade at people. It's always like support, like, oh, can you help me find out where to get this pair? Somebody comments and like answers before even I do, and I just think that's really dope. So thank you to Keaton for sending us over, bro. Like, it really means a lot. As you guys can see, like, I'm just kind of overwhelmed by it because I don't get gifts very often. So to get a gift from a complete stranger is pretty darn cool. I will say that this is going in the sneaker collection. I wanted to stick to that $1,000 budget, obviously, for the starting from scratch series, but a gift, I'm obviously not going to resell it, but I do want to add this to my sneaker collection because obviously I'm not going to turn on a gift from a like subscriber and like a friend. So thank you so much for this. This is a great jump start, and honestly, I just realized this is going to be the first personal pair of Jordan 1s since we got rid of the collection to go back into the collection. So shout out to you, Keaton, again. All love over here, man. Appreciate this so much. So thoughtful. And I guess that's it for this video. I don't know what else to say. I'm just kind of floored. That's so cool. So thank you to all of you guys behind the camera. I'm not going to put the P.O. box on the screen and stuff just because, again, don't send anything over. I don't want you guys spending your money on me. Thank you so much for all of that. And until next time, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, and I will see you on the next episode. Aloha. Shoot!